Welcome to Ezon Fin, your ultimate destination for mastering finance, investment strategies, and unlocking your wealth potential. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 10 simple ways to save money every month. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on personal finance, making money online, and business tips. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. By making small adjustments to your daily habits and spending patterns, you can easily find extra cash each month. Here are 8 practical ways to save money. 1. Create a budget. A budget is the foundation of good financial management. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Allocate specific amounts for essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and savings. Stick to your budget to avoid overspending. 2. Cut down on unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel those you don't use regularly. Streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions can add up quickly. Opt for free or cheaper alternatives, or share subscriptions with friends or family to split the cost. 3. Cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can be expensive. Cooking at home allows you to control your ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier meals and significant savings. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and stick to it. 4. Use cashback and coupon apps. Take advantage of cashback and coupon apps to save on everyday purchases. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta offer discounts and cashback on groceries, clothing, and more. These savings may seem small individually, but they add up over time. 5. Buy generic brands. When shopping for groceries, opt for generic or store brands instead of name brands. The quality is often the same, but the price difference can be substantial. This small switch can lead to significant savings on your monthly grocery bill. 6. Reduce utility costs. Save on utilities by being mindful of your energy consumption. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and invest in energy-efficient appliances. Lower your thermostat in the winter and raise it in the summer to reduce heating and cooling costs. 7. Limit impulse purchases. Impulse buying can drain your finances. Before making any non-essential purchase, give yourself 24 hours to think it over. This waiting period helps you determine if you really need the item or if it's just a fleeting desire. 8. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each payday. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid. By automating this process, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you have the chance to spend it. By incorporating these 10 simple strategies into your financial routine, you can start saving money every month without making drastic lifestyle changes. The key is consistency. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant financial improvements over time.